Have you ever had one of those mornings when everything seems to go wrong before 9 a.m.?
Oh, yes. You wake up, spill your coffee, miss the bus, and suddenly you feel like the day is against you.
If that sounds familiar, today's episode is for you. We're going to explore real English phrases for everyday conversations so you can speak confidently in daily life situations. Introduction.
Welcome back to Daily Dose of English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. We'll show you how to sound natural and fluent in common situations. Shopping, work, small talk, social events, or just casual chats.
By the end of this episode, you'll know practical phrases that native speakers use every day.
Dialogue 1. Morning chaos. So, Sarah, how was your morning?
Honestly, Tom, hectic. First, I spilled coffee on my shirt, then my bus was late, and I forgot my notebook at home.
Oh, no. I know that feeling. You could say, it's one of those mornings.
Right, like I'm having one of those mornings where nothing goes right.
Exactly. And if you're talking to a friend, you can add, I can't catch a break today. Everything is going wrong this morning. Phrase 1. It's one of those mornings.
We use this phrase when a morning or day feels stressful or unlucky. Examples. I woke up late and missed breakfast. It's one of those mornings.
The printer broke and the bus was late. One of those mornings for sure. It's casual and very natural in everyday conversation. Dialogue 2. At work.
So, Tom, let's say you arrive at work stressed. What could you say?
You might say, I'm swamped with work today. My schedule is packed. I'm juggling too many tasks right now.
Yes, and when talking to a colleague, can you help me with this? I'm swamped. Or, I'm juggling 3 projects at the same time.
These phrases make you sound natural and confident instead of just saying, I'm busy. Phrase 2. I'm swamped. I'm juggling.
I'm swamped means very busy, overwhelmed with tasks. Examples. I'm swamped with emails today. Or, I'm swamped. Can we meet tomorrow instead?
I'm juggling emphasizes handling multiple things at once. I'm juggling work, school, and family responsibilities.
These phrases help you describe busy situations clearly.
Dialogue 3. Small talk. Okay, let's switch to something more casual. You meet a friend at a coffee shop.
Hi, Tom. How's it going?
Hey, Sarah, I'm good. Just a bit tired. You?
Same here. I'm trying to catch up on sleep this week.
You can use phrases like, not too bad, thanks. I've been better, honestly. I'm hanging in there.
Perfect. These phrases sound natural and are used every day by native speakers.
Phrase 3. Casual responses. Not too bad, thanks. Neutral, polite. I've been better, honestly. I'm hanging in there. Casual shows resilience.
Using these phrases keeps your conversation flowing naturally without awkward pauses.
Sarah, imagine we're at a cafe. You want to order a coffee.
Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please?
And if they ask, would you like anything else?
I can say, no thank you, that's all for now. Or casually, just this, thanks.
Exactly. And if something goes wrong with your order, you could say, excuse me, I think there's a mistake. I ordered a cappuccino, but this is a latte.
Very polite and natural.
Phrase 4. Polite requests and corrections. In daily life, knowing how to politely correct or request something is essential. Examples. Could I have the menu, please? I think there's a mistake with my bill. Excuse me, could you help me with this?
These phrases help you sound confident without being rude.
Dialogue 5. Shopping.
Let's try a shopping scenario.
Sure, you want to buy a jacket.
Excuse me, do you have this in a medium?
Perfect. And if you like it but want to try another color, do you have this in blue? Can I try a different size?
And when paying, I'll pay by card, please. Can I have a receipt?
These small phrases make shopping easier and sound natural in English. Dialogue 6. Social event or meeting friends.
Sarah, what if we're meeting friends at a park?
You could start with, "Hey, how's everyone doing? It's so good to see you all."
And for small talk, what have you been up to? How's work going? Any plans for the weekend?
When leaving, "It was great seeing you. Let's catch up again soon."
These simple phrases keep conversations friendly and natural.
Story time. Real-life example. Tom, last week I went to a cafe with a friend. The barista misunderstood my order and I got a tea instead of coffee.
Oh no.
Yes, but instead of getting upset, I said, "Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. Could I get a cappuccino instead?"
And?
They corrected it politely, and I practiced daily English phrases naturally. It was simple, effective, and friendly.
Tips. Applying these phrases daily.
Here are some practical tips for learners. 1. Practice in context. Use these phrases at cafes, stores, or with friends. 2. Repeat and shadow. Listen and repeat sentences to improve pronunciation and fluency. 3. Mix and match phrases. Combine greetings, requests, and casual comments in one conversation. 4. Stay confident. Even if you make mistakes, native speakers understand and appreciate effort.
Interactive practice.
Let's do a mini exercise. I'll give a situation and you respond naturally.
Ready.
You're at a cafe and your coffee is wrong.
Excuse me, I ordered a cappuccino, but this is a latte.
Perfect. Next, you meet a friend at the park.
Hey, how's it going?
Last one, you're shopping for a jacket in your size.
Do you have this in medium?
Excellent. That's how you practice daily English conversations naturally.
Final motivation and closing.
Remember, listeners, daily conversations don't have to be complicated. With the right phrases, you can communicate clearly, naturally, and confidently. Start small, practice often, and don't worry about mistakes. Daily English is all about real-life application, and every interaction counts.
So next time you go to a cafe, shop, or meet friends, try these phrases. You'll see your fluency improve quickly.
Thanks for joining us on Daily Dose of English. Keep practicing, stay confident, and enjoy the journey of learning English.
See you next time, and keep speaking every day.